Have you ever felt overlooked or undervalued in your relationships? Do you wonder how to command respect without coming off as arrogant or demanding? In today's video, we'll dive deep into the psychology of respect and share with you some powerful strategies to ensure you're treated with the dignity you deserve. And make sure you stick around till the end, because we have a game-changing tip that will revolutionize the way you approach relationships. One, the power of active listening. Before demanding respect, show it. When you actively listen to someone, you're not just hearing their words, you're valuing their thoughts and feelings. This creates a mutual respect that's hard to break. Maintain consistent boundaries. It's essential to set and maintain boundaries in relationships. When you're clear about what you're comfortable with and what you're not, people will respect you for standing your ground. The art of non-reactive communication. When faced with criticism or negative comments, instead of reacting impulsively, take a moment. Respond with calmness and clarity. This shows maturity and often disarms the other person, earning you respect. 4. Be genuine and authentic. People can sense when you're being insincere. By being genuine in your interactions, you build trust and, in turn, command respect. 5. Elevate others. A true sign of a respected individual is how they treat others. By elevating and celebrating the achievements of those around you, you not only earn their respect, but also create a positive environment. 6. The power of silence. Sometimes the most potent response is no response. If someone tries to belittle you or make a snide remark, a simple pause and a calm stare can be more impactful than words. It shows you're above petty conflicts. 7. Self-respect is key. Before expecting others to respect you, ensure you respect yourself. This means taking care of your mental, emotional, and physical well-being. When you value yourself, others will too. And now the moment you've been waiting for. The ultimate tip. 8. The mirror technique. In relationships, we often mirror the energy and behavior we receive. If you want respect, be the first to show it. Treat every interaction as a reflection. Ask yourself, how would I feel if someone treated me this way? By being the standard of respect, you'll find that people naturally reciprocate. Conclusion. Earning respect in relationships isn't about dominance or superiority. It's about mutual understanding, valuing others, and setting a positive example. Remember, respect is a two-way street. The more you give, the more you get. If you've ever applied any of these strategies, or have your own tips to share, drop a comment below. We love hearing from our community. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Relationship Insights for more valuable content. See you in the next video.